Well, start of another project here. I've got this whole fence line that I'm trying to clear out. I'm trying to reclaim some land that's been neglected for some time. Some places I probably have about 60, 70 yards as we go along, but it's just thick vines and trees. I've got to thin out all the way down. Tools for the day: chainsaw, pole saw, my Kubota, which is the 3350, the B3350 with a wicked 55-inch grapple from Everything Attachments, and the 6-foot rotary cutter. This is right here where I've actually, a couple of days ago, while I was out here, I went ahead and just backed in here and just kind of cut all this stuff up just to give me a starting point so I can get to the limbs. This is the field edge next to me, and I'm trying to open up a really nice view and reclaim all this. It's all like that. Beautiful farmland. Nice and peaceful. So nature's taken over. And this is actually more of the most narrow area. As you can see from the fence all the way over to my field, this is probably about 15 yards if. So this is more of the most narrow area. It gets much wider. So not sure how long it's gonna take, but we're gonna get started and get this place looking nice. Okay, this is after mostly grapple work right here. So we ain't got most of the vines and all that stuff, so I can see what I'm cutting. I marked a couple dogwoods there I want to leave, and then done some cleanup here. So now it's time to put boots on the ground, get the pole saw, the chainsaw, and start cleaning stuff up. So let's get that going. Okay, this is Midway. This was before. Now here's after. I had my wheel, my rotary cutter, mess up. It broke. So I'm not able to quite finesse it. But I'll come back and do that. But now you can see breeze is blowing better, and it just looks tons better. So now, as time and weather permits, work our way down. Okay, this is about halfway through. I did some grapple work yesterday and just went and got as many vines and fallen branches and stuff as I could. So today I'm going to start off with cutting with chainsaw, and then I can get in there even better because there are some things I needed to get to, but I can't because there are small trees in the way. Yeah, it was too large for me to try to take down my grapple. So just wanted to give you a pan of what it looks like before, and I've done grapple work to about right there. I've got a spring in there, so it starts getting a little wet. So we'll just kind of have to take it easy after that, and just maybe it'll slow me down, but we'll try and get this knocked out before it rains. Everything is now cut with the chainsaw, pole saw. So now I'm gonna start cleaning up. This is where this baby comes in. Okay, this is gonna be it for today. Thankful the rain held off. This is what got done. This right here is pretty much what I've taken out of what I've done here. And you see that big brush pile, I've got some firewood there. This is a humongous brush pile. And then I've got that one over there. So that's between this point all the way to there. Distance-wise, it's probably about a good 80 to 100 excuse me, 80 to 100 yards. So a lot of stuff came out, vines, a lot of small trees, and now all these trees that are left are gonna have a chance to branch out and reach their potential.